Sumentro sa 125 million pesos na confidential funds ang Day 16 ng impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Gaano nga ba kabigat ang testimonya ng isang dating OBP Special Disbursing Officer para magkaroon ng talim ang Article 1 ng impeachment complaint laban sa bise? Narito na ang pasilip sa mainit na talakayan ng The PH Insider on TV.
Was that point established during the testimony of SDO
Yes,
Acosta?
let's take note that this witness has been the employee or close associate of the Vice President since the time that the Vice President was still the mayor of Davao City, no? 2016 to 2022. So meron na talaga siyang first-hand experience or first-hand knowledge about dun sa mga nangyayari no, sa loob ng Office of the Vice President, and also being a SDO or tinatawag nating Special Disbursing Officer. She had all the leeway or all the authority. No, how should the disbursement be conducted with, of course, the order or upon the order of the Vice President.
Parang ano, no, lumalabas parang for you to be able to get away with, spending irregularly these confidential funds is that you should have trusted aides to help you with the execution of your plan. Hindi yung maganda yun, President Romel, ano? Kasi kinakailangan may mga trusted na kasabwat.
What is the purpose of that, you think?
So it was not pre-marked during pre-trial. So, meaning to
what
say,
was the purpose of it?
it is a simulation. No? It is just to show or to articulate the extent no, of the money withdrawn from the bank. It is allowed. No? Ang ano kasi, sa korte, anything that is not presented during pre-trial may not be presented as evidence during the trial proper. So, in impeachment kasi, it is a sui generis, no? It is a class of its own. So, meron silang certain leeway or
Latitude, no?
yes, so para kumbaga i-relax yung rules no, for the convenience of both parties.
Mapapanood ang kabuuan ng episode na yan sa The PH Insider on TV mamayang alas 8 ng gabi bago ang inaabangang PCSO Lottery Jackpot Bearing Games.